No one in the street. Still empty. A ghost town. When I went out this morning, I tried to speak to people. They wouldn't stop. Ran away.
What is it?
Must have been someone shouting in the next street. You hear a sound and all sorts of ideas come to your head. Last night I thought I heard wolves. Wolves howling on our street. There were some lads. Got drunk. Who can blame them under all this stress? If I could afford it... Ah! Damn it, blast! Diamond blast!
I'll get the TC.
Blast! If you did what you were told, I could concentrate and not hit my...
It's not her fault.
It is her fault! It is her fault we're on edge! I can't knock a nail in without wondering if her zombie's watching me! It is her fault!
Get the TCP.
Take it out, get rid of it and don't bring it back.
Mum said.
I said get rid of it now!
No.
No. She says no to her father. See what you've done.
If you don't put TCP on it, it'll get all
Get rid of it!